Hey everyone, welcome back. Our prices and charts in Fomo app freezing on old numbers instead of updating live. Here's the fix. A stale price feed almost always comes down to a broken live data connection rather than anything wrong with the coin itself. So first go to your settings app and then toggle airplane mode on for about 15 seconds. Then turn it back off, which fully resets your network connection and forces the app to re-establish its live data stream. First close FOMO completely from your recent apps and then open it fresh on that reset connection. If prices are still frozen, go to your settings again, then go to Wi-Fi and toggle it off, or try switching between mobile data instead, since a specific network can sometimes block or throttle the live data feed if the feed still won't fresh. Then in the settings, go back and go to general, then go to iPhone storage, scroll down to the list of apps and find FOMO. Once you find it, go ahead and tap on it and then tap offload app. After offloading it, go to the app store, search for FOMO and reinstall it fresh from there, which clears a stuck local cache that can hold on to old price data instead of pulling the current feed. So that's all you've got to do. You need to reset your connection, force close and reopen, try switching networks and offload and reinstall if it proceeds. Price update live again, and that's it. Subscribe.